Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 155th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Bryan of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Australia Rector Major meets with Salesian youth. Michael Gartland reports from Melbourne.
On an 8-day tour of Australia to mark 100 years of Salesian presence, Rector Major dedicated Wednesday, 27th April for festivities with youth. Arriving at Salesian College Chadstone, situated approximately 18 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, Rector Major met with student leaders from Salesian schools from around Australia at a morning assembly. After lunch, the Rector Major participated at the Youth Forum, where Salesian student leaders from the Australian Salesian schools gathered for a day of games, activities and reflection. In the evening, some 200 Salesian family members gathered to celebrate the Centenary Mass. After Holy Mass, guests were treated to a traditional Burmese dance, followed by dancers from Vietnam and Samoa. Young and old musicians played guitar, violin and sang. An impromptu performance from the professed Salesians and FMAs followed. Salesian College Chadstone alumnus, owner of a popular Vietnamese restaurant, sponsored dinner and also dedicated the entire cost of the gala dinner meal to the ongoing works of the Salesians in the Pacific.
Michael Gartland reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. India Salesian brother wins Inspiring Education Hero Award. Cleric Banhulang Lingdo reports from New Delhi.
Education Growth Network India (EGN) honored Principal of Don Bosco Technical Institute, New Delhi, Brother Tom CJ, for his outstanding contribution to the education and training of young people. The award ceremony was held on 29th April 2022 at Holiday Inn, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. Shri Mohan Pradeep Sharma, founder of Voice of Choice, and Srimati Sadhvi Pragya Bharti, well-known spiritual mentor, social activist, and co-founder, Sambhav International Foundation, Delhi, awarded some 40 outstanding personalities. Brother Tom received another award, 2022 Global Human Rights Protection Award, in November 2022. Since 1992, Executives Global Network (EGN) has provided carefully matched professional peer groups to business executives and specialists. Based on professional relations and the exchange of experiences in a confidential space, they create personal, professional, and business value for the members of the network spread out in 15 countries.
Cleric Banhulang Lingdo reporting. India, 29 men and women religious hold joint prep for final vows. Cleric Sudeep Mondal reports from Bangalore.
18 Salesians from 12 provinces of South Asia and 11 sisters are participating in joint preparations for their final vows at Don Bosco Renewal Center, Bangalore from 25th April 2023. Experts from various religious congregations form the team in conducting group activities, group counseling, picnics, guided retreat, and exposure programs to broaden the vision and strengthen vocation of participant religious. In the second week program, group process the formies are helped to become aware of themselves and enhanced to become what they should become.
I'm Sister Joseph Pretentia from the province of Tiruchirappalli. I'm very happy and joyful to be here in DBRC. The ambient is very pleasant, and this is the right point. They have placed us here before our perpetual profession, and this is the right point of regeneration and renewal before our profession. I'm happy.
I'm Brother Ashwin Arona from the Pancham province. I'm indeed joyful and happy to be here among a great group of animators and a wonderful group of brothers and sisters who accompany me in this journey. I'm happy and I enjoy this experience. It's a wonderful family experience and I enjoy each and every moment here.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India Youth Center holds Sing Out Loud concert. Abigail Carmeliam reports from Shillong.
As part of the commitment of the Salesians to promote and to provide a platform for talented youngsters in the region, the Don Bosco Youth Center Shillong, in collaboration with dbmnTv Shillong and Catholic Media Association Chicago, held Sing Out Loud vocal concert on the 21st April 2023. Salesian Provincial of Shillong and several members of the Salesian family graced the occasion, where 23 vocalists trained at the Youth Center showcased their singing talents. Director of Don Bosco Youth Center and Director of Don Bosco Media Network Television, Father Michael Makri, welcomed the participants and guests to the Sing Out Loud vocal concert. Ms. Laptyang Akor Solang was the vocal coach who took pains to train the young vocalists to stand and deliver the sweet melodies. Don Bosco Youth Center, a landmark institution of Shillong started in 1983, is situated near Don Bosco Square, Shillong.
Abigail Carmeliam reporting. Philippines 14 Atma groups mark 154th foundation anniversary. Leah Castro reports.
The Association of Mary Help of Christians in the Philippine South Province celebrated its 154th Foundation Day anniversary on Sunday, April 23, 2023. At present, there are 12 local Atma centers in the province. 2 more centers are under preparation. In spite of several challenges, Atma members are still growing in number in the Philippine South Province.
Leah Castro reporting. India Salesian Family Catechist training held. Sister Eugenia Lalu reports from Shillong.
The Salesian Provincial Conference of South Asia organized a training of trainer catechists for Salesian family members at Matthias Institute, Shillong from 24 to 28, 2023. The theme of the training program was Catechesis of a Synodal Church, a paradigm shift towards solidarity and communion. There were 30 participants from 5 Salesian family groups, including Salesians, Salesian Sisters, Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians, Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco, and Sisters of Mary Immaculate. 7 resource persons animated the training program. The trainers visited Vendrame Institute of Rural Training and Animation, Shillong, and Don Bosco Media Network TV channel in Shillong. The Managing Director of Don Bosco Media Network, Father Michael Makri, conducted practical sessions on how to use minimum technology for ministry.
Sister Eugenia Lalu reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.